Hey everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you today with a Dollar Tree sticker series video. It's been a while. I've gone to my local Dollar Tree and I just have not felt very inspired by the stickers. I just don't want to create a card just by slapping a sticker on some paper and, just adding some cardstock and saying, hey, here's a card. And so I look for things to kind of inspire me to do something different and maybe kind of outside the box. So maybe that's what I have for you today. So let me share with you what I used to make the card. First up, I used the Spellbinders Fashion Oyster 120 self-adhesive embellishments. I really like these. They're super pretty. I just don't think I may ever use these larger ones. I'm not sure, but I really like these. And then one of my favorite step and die sets by Waffle Flower. This is the Sweet Lattice Sentiments, and just have some really awesome sentiments that I've been enjoying using. One thing about the Waffle Flower, once they look so nice, they die cut beautifully, and I tend to just kind of use them over and over and over, so I have to be careful with that. I just really like these though. So that one. And then let me share with you the stickers that I use. So I use these pop-up stickers here. They're kind of translucent, and I just thought the flowers are really pretty. One thing that I've learned to do with these type of stickers is oftentimes they use a huge piece of adhesive foam here to have the sticker on, and sometimes you can see through it. So what I've done in the past is that, I take them apart, and sometimes I'll just take this sticker out. I put a smaller square adhesive piece on, and then try to find somewhere on the whatever the design is, floral in this case, that is a little dark, like that little one in the middle there. I mean, you could take this sticker off. You can just kind of peel it off. You take your time and just peel it off. And then when you get ready to adhere it to your design, you could actually use a piece that is way smaller than what they have on it. If you have a dot, which I do, but I'm just going to show you by using theirs. And so you can cut it down and just put it right behind that design, and you won't see it as easily because, these are really see-through. And like on this one, it's really small, but they put it over to the side. So if you kind of pull that one off, and you just got to work with them sometimes. Sometimes I can't get them off, but I try, and that's pretty good. And then I can use, a way smaller piece and put it behind that dark piece, or that dark color. And then when I adhere it back, you cannot see the square like you could before, especially when they're using one that big. So yeah, smaller, and kind of can hide it. Sometimes that really works. So let me share the card with you. So, like I said, I don't want to just stick stickers on cardstock and make a card. I want to try to do something outside the box. But this time I didn't. So I just used the florals, just kind of put them in a really pretty design that I liked. And then I put the little pearl ones here, and then here's my sentiments. You make my heart smile. Now I wanted to try to change it up and use some vellum, kind of like these look like vellum, and I cut a piece of vellum and I ran it through a embossing folder to put, as a layer, but it just didn't look good. And then, trying to hide the glue of vellum is really hard, so I didn't go that route. But I did use a piece of vellum behind the cardstock here as the layering piece. So let me know what you think. Are you bored with this? Is this just kind of the same old, same old? I think it turned out really pretty, and I like it very much, and I will be sending this to someone because it's super sweet. Let me know what you think below, And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been subscribed for a while, I really appreciate it. And hit the like button below so I'll know that you like the content, and comment. I like reading the comments that you all leave. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.